Cardano is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that has a current worth of 40 cents and a market capitalization of $14109475316. Digital currencies have long passed the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate. Some huge speculation banks even get Cardano and other digital currencies as a group to safeguard their resources under administration against the dashing expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ADA market that depend on the readings of our one-of-a-kind crypto unpredictability record that assists us with measuring the market opinion and expect where in which the market plans to go. At this point, the cost of Cardano is 40 cents, while the coin right now winds up at 7th spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value that is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most applicable information in regards to the exhibition of computerized asset in their portfolios. It's likewise vital to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course. On April 20th, the cost of Cardano was at 41 cents toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 3.13%. A week prior, on April 14th, ADA was esteemed at 42 cents, and that intends that from that point forward, the cost has changed by 0%. A month prior, on Walk 21, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at 37 cents. Thusly, the coin has taken a 9.23% action to arrive at its current standing. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main variable that we consider while making the cost expectation. It means quite a bit to watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have a reasonable perspective on where the market is going. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the general position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks. For example, changes in market capitalization, positive or negative, are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and long-haul points of view. This specific measurement is likewise used to check the strength of Cardano corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation. To decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ADA, we duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will be made sense of later, by the current worth of the cryptographic money under survey. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano remains at $1,109,475,316, which frames the reason for present positioning was referenced before. Yesterday, on April 20th, ADA had a market capitalization of $1,451,785,039. Last week, on April 14th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $1,4804335,979. A month prior, on Walk 21, the market worth of Cardano was surveyed to be $1,2891972,842. Yet, while the market capitalization offers a suitable sign of the ubiquity and the predominance of Cardano, it doesn't generally relate with the created exchanging volume inside a similar market, which is likewise consistently figured in while making the sweeping cost forecast. In contrast to that of stocks, the capitalization of digital currencies, including that of ADA, could be mutilated by the sporadically large number of exchanges that could happen on the organization for various reasons, including hacking endeavors. A huge spike in such exchanges frequently applies an immediate effect on the cost of the fundamental computerized resource and could bring about an unwarranted increment of market capitalization that gives financial backers who are observing market an off-base thought regarding the certifiable worth of the cryptographic money. That is the reason it's vital to focus on past information and shun engaging with the market that exhibits the running business sector capitalization, as they are frequently inclined to controls that could inconveniently affect the presentation of one's portfolio. Total supply considers the quantity of coins that have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers. This measurement additionally considers the coins that have been deliberately transitioned away from through the cycle called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the complete stock of Cardano is laid out at 35,711,298,2298. Lastly, the flowing stock is utilized to work out the market capitalization and evaluate the coin's ongoing remaining in the positions. It signifies the general measure of ADA that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use out of the blue. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation, since they are probably going to see the value in esteem over a lengthy time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, Cardano has a circling supply of 34788711953 coins. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $443,436,245. Yesterday, on April 20th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $571,286,790. A week prior, on April 14th, how much ADA that was traded between market members was assessed at $517,228,739. Tomorrow, on April 22nd, Cardano will answer the exchanging action with a 4.98% move that will eventually take the cost to the 38 cents level. In 7 days, the cost of Cardano will raise a ruckus around town mark as the consequence of a 8.45% move. In 30 days, ADA will approach the 41 cents level inside a 1.40% cost modification. In a half year, Cardano will wind up at 55 cents as the cost will move by 35.93%. In 1 year, the cost of the coin being referred to will move to 48 cents as an outcome of a 19.45% cost change. As currently referenced, 114 has been improved to figure the cost of ADA for a 5-year skyline, an accomplishment that other cost expectation administrations can't offer. 5 years Cardano forecast outlined the 114 predicts that in 2 years, Cardano will lay out a traction at 89 cents after a 121.63% cost change. In 3 years, ADA will show up at the $1.46 cost level in a 258.92% move. In 4 years, dealers will see Cardano at $2.85, which is a 603.45% cost shift. In 5 years, ADA will be exchanged at $3.98 after taking a 880.46% action from its ongoing position. And cryptographic money markets offer numerous potential open doors for benefit making through exchanging or long-haul speculation. However, it's important that they are as yet going through the development stage. And that implies that we could observe outrageous instability and surprising cost swings on some random day. Notwithstanding, our Cardano cost expectation model considers every single imaginable gamble and cost framing variables to guarantee that the estimates stay as precise as conceivable much over the 5-year span. We don't offer counsel with respect to when to enter the ADA market or how much cash flow to give. You should do it at your own carefulness. The forecast gives the